Good morning. How we doing today, baby? I'm ready to print. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready to print. Good morning, Paul. Channel member. Greatly appreciate you, my guy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. How'd everybody do yesterday? Yesterday, the only thing I took was a bounce on SPY, and it really didn't do too hot. Other than that, I closed out my QQQ put 83%. Um, and yeah, really nothing else. I missed the entire move down, even though I was ideally looking for puts yesterday, and I still missed it all. Very disappointed in that, but stuff like that happens. At least I had that QQQ swing put that I could lock in all the profits. That was just an absolutely insane trade. So I'm not too pressed, but definitely should have made a lot more money yesterday. A lot more. If you guys caught the puts with Jadon, you guys absolutely printed. Congrats to you. But yeah, today is a new day. We're gonna run it up. We're gonna make some money. Yesterday is behind us. So if you lost money yesterday, or you took no trades yesterday, or you had, some negative emotions towards yesterday, that's in the past. It's a new day, and let's just run it up today. Let's worry about what we see, and let's make the money. Everybody sound good with everybody? But SPY yesterday, nice. So the one thing that I did want to say to everybody joining the live stream is because right now we're at a very important area, SPY, QQQ. The main thing that we want to watch is going to be the dollar. And sorry, I'm trying to multitask, try to get live on TikTok. But we want to watch the US dollar, because as we can see, it's kind of sitting at these highs. And if we crack above those highs on the US dollar, the market is going to pull even harder. Now, the other thing is the VIX. The VIX hasn't really moved too much since this market drop. And if you pull up the VIX and you look at it compared to the last time the market dropped, it's not adding up with what the VIX is doing. We saw a huge drop yesterday in the market. Well, not huge, but a pretty hard pull. And the VIX did nothing. So here's the last time the market pulled, the time before that. Here's what's going on now. We're not really, the VIX isn't moving too much. So just something to keep on your radar, plus the US dollar. How do I do this? Live intro on TikTok. How do I do that? Settings. There it is. So, how's everybody doing? Got 152 people in here. Just give me like one more minute. Getting stuff set up for TikTok. Yeah, I just saw the ADP dropped. I will say that QQQ 5-minute squeeze looks good, so we're going to take a look at that. Live every single day. But yeah, let me know how everybody did yesterday. There we go. Cool. Now we can get live on TikTok. And now we are good to go. Let's make this watch list, baby. Oh, they can see my leg again on TikTok. They always be seeing my leg. Anyways. Cool. Let's do this. Alrighty. Crush it. Almost weekly goal in a day. That's what I love to see. Good job. Okay. So, let's pull up the economic calendar today. Let's see what we got going on. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 162 people in here. Only 62 likes. Remember, 150 likes. That's when you guys do get the watch list for the day. Anyways, let's see. Today is Wednesday. So, we got the ADP employment report, and then we have PMI at 9:45, and then we have a Fed speaker at 6:30. So, we'll see with that. And then, cool. Let's go through the weekly watch list, which is, we'll start with Amazon. Get this, boom. 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Beautiful. You got $55 of buying power. How'd that happen? So we'll start with Amazon. Let's see what we got over there. So has that daily gap to fill. Broke below that bear flag yesterday. We got pretty close to filling it. Kind of looks like we're in another little wedge right here. Possible breakdown there. We can watch that. Actually, another 4-hour bear flag is what it looks like. So, not too interested in Amazon. We'll skip that. AMD. See what happens with that. Man, it's bumping in the YouTube live stream today. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 207 people in here, 77 likes. Running up to 150 likes. How we doing over here on the TikTok? We got 38 people. I'll get more in there. Let's see. AMD, either a break above 87.8. Actually, AMD's also looking like a little bear flag right here. Okay, so I like AMD, ideally to the downside, downside with that bear flag. So we'll see with that one. We just retraced to the 1 hour 21 EMA. This thing wants to update every morning. There we go. Let's see. Boeing breaking the trend line. I mean, we could look for puts. Ideally, not too interested. Coca-Cola looking for a swing. Microsoft. Good morning. Nothing on BBBY. I don't trade it. Typically, I don't trade memes. It's not what I do. Anyways, let's see. Microsoft. Same thing, kind of got that bear flag going on right here, but I would say below yesterday's low or above pre-market highs, I'd be interested. So we'll get Microsoft on the list. And then let's see, NVIDIA. Same thing, 4-hour bear flag. So we're getting a lot of bear flags. CRWD really didn't even do anything for the earnings. Good thing we didn't even get the butterfly filled. So I will watch NVIDIA. We'll see with this little bear flag that we got. Watch both ways. NVIDIA. I think oil's still getting clapped. Oxy. Yeah, Oxy got destroyed. Ooh. Oxy and then Tesla. Let's see, 280. Good morning. Hopefully everybody's doing good. I'm on. There we go. All right, we'll watch Tesla both ways. There's that. Let's pull up the squeeze scanner. And real quick, in case you guys are in the YouTube live stream and for some reason you do not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. We're not #1 anymore. We were #1 all day yesterday. So if you guys do want to pick up your copy of the New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure you guys do that. It would be greatly appreciated. Amazon has my book on sale for some reason. So if you are thinking about getting it, now would be the time. Same thing for everybody over on TikTok. In case you guys did not know, the New Age of Technical Analysis. Make sure you guys go pick that up. When I'm doing my pre-market watch list, I'm looking at the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frame. So there you go. You can see a little more. But yeah, 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frame. I'm looking at my stacked DMAs, and then I'm also looking for any squeezes. So right now, everything is stacked down, which is ideally we should look for puts. But we can look for some upside moves. Yeah, 450 pages. Crazy. Anyways, let's see. Let's run through the watch list. Look at Apple. Where are we at? We're all the way down here. Either Apple below yesterday's low or above pre-market highs doesn't look too bad. So Apple. And let's see, we looked at AMD. We looked at... Did we look at Amazon? I thought we did. Oh, yeah, the flag. Let's see. Boeing don't care about. BABA. Don't really care about BABA either. Yeah, we'll look at SQ. That's actually on the watch list. Actually, BABA doesn't look too bad above 95.88. The only issue is you can't really trade BABA right off the open. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes for the options to load. So we'll probably avoid that. Let's see. Coin Costco, don't care about. Google. Good morning, Justin. Channel member, greatly appreciate you. As always. Google looks like it's trying to form a little 1 hour inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, head. Maybe we rally back up here, come down and make shoulder number 2. Yeah, I don't really care about Google. Look at Meta. Meta's actually having a nice little breakout. Little 1 hour falling wedge breakout yesterday, or actually in the pre-market. Watch that high on Meta. Boom. Microsoft. We already looked at Microsoft. Netflix. How we all doing in the YouTube live stream this morning? We got 200 people in here. How we doing? AMD's on the list, so we'll go back to it. Netflix. Keep an eye on that falling wedge right there. You can see it on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. This actually looks pretty good for a swing. Look for a break above the trend line. Might get a nice little butterfly with that. We looked at NVIDIA. That's on the list. Oxy. Of course, our baby QQQ and SPY. Question is, are we bear flagging or are we making an inverse head and shoulders? That's the question of the day. Ready to print? That's what I like to hear. So, QQQ, I'll watch it above 303.75. Just be careful. It's kind of it looks like it's trying to form this bear flag right here. There's our lower trend line. There's our upper trend line. We could rally into like 305 roughly. So look for the break 303.75. Look for a rally up into 305. Let's see. Roku don't care about. Shopify. Looking to do my cash secured puts on Shopify once we get back down to 29.72. Wait for that to happen. And then let's see. SPY. We're rejecting that 400 level. I'll say SPY looks a lot weaker than QQQ. QQQ actually looks like it can get a nice move to the upside. SPY looks very weak. So we'll see about that. Then somebody said SQ was in a bull flag. Where are you seeing this bull flag? I don't see no bull flag. Who said that? Ken, where you see a bull flag? Anything. That's what I would be watching. You talking about a falling wedge? Come on. There we go. You can watch that for a breakout. That doesn't look bad for a butterfly. And then I think we had Tesla on the list. Perfect. Let's see. How we doing over here on the TikTok live today? Technology is a sell, blah, blah, blah. Oh, we got the same guy who likes to go on rants. I'll let him rant. What do you mean, who pays for a watch list? I do this live on YouTube every day, and I'm doing it live on here. Free. Completely free. What are you smoking? Pretty sure I've been doing free morning watch lists for like the last year. It's probably been longer than a year. Free every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys are following. Let's see. We got 232 people up in here in the YouTube live stream. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Got 124 likes, 228 people up in here. Run it up to 150 likes. That's when you guys get the watch list. Anyways, so we got a pretty good list today. Let's just narrow it down to the top 3 or 4. See what we like, what we don't like. Let's see. Yes. Oh my God, that's funny. He's done it before. I think he's been in here like 3 or 4 times. I love it. John, I love you, man. You make my day so enjoyable. AMD, honestly, I would look for this break of this bear flag. Yeah, of course. Bear flag break looks pretty good. I would say 86.83. Look to take it back to yesterday's low, 85.34. Let's see. What do the person's pivots say? Person's pivots say 86.53. So a nice little 30-cent scalp. And then below there, we can get lower. So AMD possibility. Maybe we start breaking above the high, that trend line at like 88. I'll look for some calls. So we'll come back to that. Microsoft. Let's see. Microsoft, I would say above 265.58 doesn't look bad. Or below yesterday's low. So watch both of them. Yesterday's high, 267.05. Yesterday's low, 260.66. We are pretty overextended to the downside. Microsoft's a maybe. Let's go to NVIDIA. Man, the YouTube live stream is it's doing good today. Oh yeah, that NVIDIA looks super weak. I think it's already trying to break. We'll give NVIDIA a little more time, but there's a very high probability it goes on the watch list. As long as it doesn't break that bear flag, I'll put it on. Looks super weak. So, NVIDIA, like, let's see, IBM. If anything, I'd look to swing IBM. Can't really day trade it. Let's see. We looked at NVIDIA, Tesla. And again, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, has officially released on Amazon. So if you guys want to pick up your copy, make sure you guys do that. That's the link right there. And if you guys already have The New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram so I can get you guys in the book Discord. So I have a whole Discord specifically for people that have the book. Tesla above 280 or break below this 30-minute bear flag. Yes, sir, Aaron. So, I like Tesla. 30-minute bear flag. Look for the break below. Person's pivot. Say we could see 275.33 and even yesterday's low. 275.33. We got some SMAs that can act as support, so we got to pay attention to those. Let's see, 275.33, and then the 100 SMA is at 270.02. No, we don't do the discount codes anymore, unfortunately. 270.02. Bingo. All right, so let's watch both ways on Tesla. Ideally, the breakdown below the bear flag. But, I mean, if we crack above 280 and we get above that trend line, I think this thing can move to the upside. Let's get a clean chart. So let's see, 280. Got room up to possibly 286. Got some support right here. I'd just be cautious about this entire area right here between 283.25 and 286 on Tesla. So, I mean, we can look to scalp it up. $3 isn't bad. So, Tesla, I like that. That'll probably find its way onto the list. And then go to Apple. Did NVIDIA break down? Apple's a big maybe. I know we liked Meta, and I know we like QQQ. Yeah, was there Meta news? Why is it pumping like this? Guess we won't be able to get that one unless it chills out. And then QQQ. Oh well. All right, let's watch this QQQ bear flag or even the break above 303. I like it. Just going to trade Uncle's levels. But as far as Parsons, pivots, and technicals say, we could see yesterday's low. And then what screen did I have on there? 8.6. Yeah, yesterday's low, 297.94, which is the weekly pivot. CRWD is not on the list. There's no liquidity. Above like 303.84, pumping to like 305, which would be the upper trend line. So let's watch QQQ. Again, I'm going to trade Uncle's levels. Boom. Let's put that on there. Then QQQ, watching the 1 hour bear flag for a possible breakdown or even a break above pre-market highs to the upper trend line. Oh, we got the Fed speakers talking about inflation right now. Let's see. We'll trade Uncle's levels. Let's see. Oxy, not on the list today. Either is Exxon. Yeah. Cool. Hey, let's go. Just ordered the book. My man, I appreciate you. And we hit 150 likes. That's what I like to see. Okay, so QQQ on the list. Didn't even put the screenshot in the Discord. There we go. Let's see. And then the ones that I really liked. Let's see. On IB, which market data did you subscribe? SIBO, NASDAQ. NASDAQ would be the one to go. They hooked me up with everything. AMD broke the flag. Yeah, again, if you guys got the book, it would mean the world to me if you guys would just leave a review on Amazon. Because I know a lot of you got it. I see the numbers. But yeah, it could be like 2 to 3 sentences. Whatever it is, just leave a review. It helps a lot, especially with their algo. Please and thank you. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's see. Microsoft. 265.58 or below yesterday's low, so we'll come back to that. I think the one that I really like today is going to be Tesla. And I mean, we can even watch NVIDIA for the crack of 150-182. It's just unfortunate that it had to go and break on me. That looked beautiful. Maybe we even bounce off of 150-182. So that's definitely a possibility as well. Let's see, 150-105, 150, 147.06. 150-105. Team Bull for life, baby. 150-105, 150. Then 147.06. Any SMAs blocking us? Nope. Yeah, AMD and NVIDIA are getting smacked. Let's see, we're below that point, so we don't have to worry about that. We're looking for the break of 150-182. We got one area right there. Cool. Let's put this one on the list. It is? I didn't even know that. Live on TikTok right now. Alright, let's get a video on the list. Let's see. NVIDIA breaking below 1 hour bear flag. Looking for the break below 151.82 for puts. Price target equal. Oh my god. Price target equals. Let's see. 151.05. 150. 148.66. Or we can possibly bounce off 151.82. If that's the case, look for calls. $156.56. Look for calls. All right, so basically with NVIDIA, a few things could happen today. We either break below yesterday's low. If that's the case, I'll look for puts. If we bounce off of it, I'll look for calls. Or if we magically break above pre-market highs at 156.56, I'll look for calls as well. Let's see. What else we got? How we doing over here on the TikTok? My man John's still going strong at it. I love it. That's dedication. All right. So there's NVIDIA. Our baby Tesla. I mean, Tesla looks really good for actually both ways. Let's see. All right, here's playing with Tesla. Oh, did it? Oh, really? Ah, that's funny. Hold on. Was she talking in the car? Wow. So apparently, for the people on TikTok, my Bluetooth connected to my car because my fiance went to go move it. I guess everybody heard her. Did she say, why did this idiot park in front of the garage? That's funny. Let's see. Yeah, Tesla. I mean, it looks really good both ways. Tesla. Let's see. 1 hour bear flag. Looking for a break below. I want to know if she said anything. Let's see. Looking for a break below or puts. Price target equal 275.33, 272.65, and then 270. 270 or a break above 284 calls. Price target equal like this entire zone right here, 283 to 286.50. 283 to 286.50 major level. That's funny. All right, so there is Tesla. Man, we got 263 people up in the YouTube live. Again, if you guys did not know and you're new to the YouTube live, she says she has a better watch list than me. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. And in case you guys did not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. 450 pages. Talk about my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. Everything that you guys see on the screen right now, I talk about in the book. So people on TikTok, here's the book right here. A little thick book right there. Everybody in the YouTube live stream, there's the link right there. So anyways, I like Tesla. Fingers crossed that it doesn't end up breaking. And then let's see if we can get one more. Maybe Apple. Apple didn't look too bad. I feel like Tesla's definitely gonna break without us. Who's hating? Nobody's hating. Apple might find its way onto that list actually. Breaking out of the flag. Let's see. I mean, 160.35 doesn't look bad for Apple. That might find its way onto the list. And then I think Meta's going. Obviously, SPY and QQQ we're gonna watch. Yeah, Meta said, "Screw y'all. I'm gonna keep ripping." Maybe if Meta can sit at this area, I'll be interested. 161.8. Let's see. Okay, so Apple and Meta, they're the last two that I like, and I'll probably drop them a little closer to market open. But as of now, got three that I really like. Gonna go to Microsoft. Come on. There we go. Yeah, Microsoft's breaking the level. QQQ. How to set up a watch list. I don't know, to be honest with you. I got this thing so long ago. I have scanners from the TTM squeeze. I mean, QQQ, we start cracking 303.84. We can really get going. 30-minute squeeze. Just got to be careful of those bear flags. Cool. So, I dropped the watch list in the chat for you guys. Why is somebody putting a question mark? What does this guy mean by his question mark on my watch list? What? Anyways. So, QQQ. NVIDIA. Let's see. Hold on. Bang. And Tesla. Cool. So that is the watch list for today. Again, if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll probably have one or two more a little closer to market open. But yeah, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky, where you guys can lose more than your initial investment. So make sure you guys are using your own proper risk management, doing your own due diligence. Again, if you guys have not secured your copy of the New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure to do that. And then other than that, if you guys want to join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Bookmap, whatever it is. Here's the link for that. Boom. My beacons page. Uncle is in the Discord server, so if you want his levels, you got to join up in there. We can actually look at snow. Snow. It looks like we got a little 1 hour. Actually, this might find its way onto the list. Actually, it is gonna find its way onto the list. Is there liquidity though? The break above 187 is what I am interested in. Can we get liquidity? Yes, we can. 190 has liquidity. Survey says we got the room. 190.47. Yesterday's high. Cool. This is what I want. I want that continuation. Come on, why you look like that? There we go. Definitely can go a lot higher than 191. No. 1 hour falling wedge breakout. Looking for the break above 187 for calls. Price target equal 190.47, 191.11. Definitely can go a lot higher. Bingo. All right, there's snow. Drop that in the chat for you guys as well. Cool. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not joining in, you're missing out. Creating this thing completely free for everybody. All you got to do is trade the levels and use proper risk management. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll be live again tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure to go pick up your copy of the New Age of Technical Analysis. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day.